Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. Glad to have you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. Today we are making shirts. So these are pretty simple shirts. I just quickly whipped them up in Design Space. 1.5 of them I had to hunt down images and convert them to an SVG. I do have videos on that. So if you're watching this and you need a bit more help, just go through my tutorial playlist and you'll hunt that down. But these shirts that we're making today are for my brother. So just trying to do some funny shirts for him. I did ask him to send me kind of what he wanted for funny shirts, and he never did. So I just went ahead and picked out what I felt would be funny. So I've preheated all my shirts. I've put my center crease in all the shirts as well. This one is a 2-layer shirt. I know you can't really tell what it is at this point, but it will become something. So we're going to tack this one down for about 5 seconds or so. That should be good. Get that out of the way. So hopefully everyone's days have been going good. I did lint roll this as well. I know the East Coast is getting hammered with some snow. There we go. So remember, when you're layering, keep your top layer to put over your next image and it will just kind of be cleaner. Okay, so here is the image that's going on top of this. So to do this image, I just did a offset and then use the contour button. So again, this was an image I found online. I think it's hilarious, and if my brother doesn't like it, I'll keep it. Isn't that the way it goes when you're the one making the craft? Okay, so we're going to tack this one for the 5 seconds. I'm pulling off, then I'll pull off the layer for the black part, and then we'll retack it, or not retack it, repress it for about 25 seconds or so. And the main reason for that is we don't want the line from the black to show on the white. I love how the vinyl presses onto the vinyl. It's fantastic. Okay, back on we go. Not sure what that is. Let's get that off there. Just a piece of fuzz. And another one. Would prefer that not to be embedded into the iron-on. It shouldn't be, but you never know. But yeah, the East Coast area, you guys are getting hammered with a snowstorm, it sounds like. That's no good. I guess it's only February, so we still have February, March for winter, depending on where you are. Okay, that should be good. So there, 1 shirt done, 3 to go. I've got 4 all together. The rest will be easy. I will press the back of this one off camera. Well, I'll press this one on camera, just in case you're watching this and you're still pretty new to using your HTV or iron-on. So the back, I don't turn the shirt inside out. For the back, we'll just give it a good press. For about 15 seconds is what the Cricut heat guide does say. This is all with Cricut iron-on. Okay, there we go. Shirt number 1 done. Gonna lay that out so it can cool off. Let's get shirt number 2. So make sure you always use your lint roller. Because if there's any fluff or anything like that, you don't want it to be caught underneath. I still see my line there. This little guide that I have here, I actually just found it on eBay. I like to fold my design in half just to get 2 creases. Then hopefully it lines up pretty good. I think this one is funny. This one will go for the full 30 seconds. And again, you got to give it some pretty good pressure. I think it's supposed to be a warm peel. I just pull them off right after I'm done. So yeah, anyone caught in the storm, I hope you're staying warm. I'm going to press this again because it doesn't seem to want to stick down that well. So we'll do another 10 seconds. And this one I might let cool. Okay, I let it cool down just a little bit more. Actually pressed it again just because it's getting your font. And I've already pressed the back, so it looks pretty good. Again, you're looking for the pattern of the material underneath the iron-on kind of coming through. So I know you can't see it through the camera, but I can definitely see it via the naked eye. But I think this one's hilarious. I got to see the candy first, then I get in the van. I'm not stupid. Again, if he doesn't like that one, I'll wear it. Okay, shirt number 3. Looking for my lint roller. You hate it when you're crafting and you put stuff down and then you're looking around for it thinking, I just had it a moment ago. I do that quite often, actually. Okay, that looks pretty good there. Again, we're going to line up, just put 2 folds in. How does that look? I think that's pretty even. You know, I need to clean up my craft room. Been so busy crafting, not doing the cleanup part, which is bad because you should clean up after every time that you craft. But then, you know, crafting's way much more fun than cleaning and organizing. But then when you do clean and organize, you're like, yay! But then you don't want to craft anything because you don't want to make a mess. It's a double-edged sword. Okay, so I'm going to let this one cool a little bit before I pull it off. I'll be back. So there's this one. I think it's pretty funny Hopefully I don't get in trouble from her. But I think my husband would wear this. Maybe. Because sometimes I wake up grumpy, don't we all? It's okay to be grumpy. Okay, last shirt. Get it down the proper way. I was about to put it backwards. And you could do these ones on the back, but they won't make as much sense, I don't think. Right? Let's get the hairs off. Okay, now where did... Oh, never mind. I was about to say, where did I put my little plasticky thing? But I found it. Okay, just grabbing the last one. There's a couple hairs on it. Problem with having animals. Okay. Trying to find my line. There it is. There, does that look straight, you guys? Feels like it's got to be over a bit. We're going to leave it at that. I thought this one was funny too. It's a good thing to have a good sense of humor. So if you can't laugh, especially at yourself, you know, what can you laugh at then? So I'm pretty sure my brother will like all these shirts. Here we go. I'll be good to get on this one and let it cool off. And I'll be back with all 4 shirts. There are all the shirts done. Pretty happy with how they turned out. I know they're just simple black and white t-shirts. But I know you all saw it because you're all smart people. I made a mistake. I made a mistake on this one. I forgot to weed the black inside of the 2 A's at the front. I got the last 2, but not the first 2. But I was able to fix it. So if you've ever done that, reheat with your press, and then I was able to, with this tool, take out those 2 little bits. I know if you're taking it off of cotton, it might leave a bit of that sticky glue residue, but nothing was left on the white iron-on. So, whew! Saved it. So let me know which one is your favorite. I love the cat one, but I like cats. You guys know that. And girls. Guys and gals. But I kind of like this one too. I really like candy. There you go. A couple facts about me. I like cats and candy. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.